Hey everybody, welcome to the show. Today we're going to talk about minimalist travel hacks as far as luggage on international travel. I personally do it. I personally love it. It's been a big cost saver for me, big stress relief for me, and I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you some of the luggages I carry with me. I have two specific brand of luggages I have, which is basically over my shoulder. I am going to show you that I carry with me when I go international traveling, and I'm going to show you how you can extend your trip even further with these small luggages. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Okay, these tips are more for like the solo traveler. When you have family, you may have to make some adjustments, but for the most part, as a solo traveler, why I like these bags is because, one, I don't have to check any bags. When you have those hard case bags, you have to keep something in mind. The bag in itself, unfilled, has weight to it, and when you add clothes to it, you're going to be paying whatever the poundage is going to be. So it's kind of unfair. So I personally like leather or cloth type of luggage bag, but in these cases, I don't have to worry about them getting lost. I don't have to worry about delays. They're with me they're with me constantly throughout the whole trip. If when I get off, I don't have to wait by the carousel and wait for them to unload it. It's me getting off the plane and straight to the cab and going, because when you're on an international flight, those are long flights, you just want to go to your hotel room and just rest. So, it's something that's faster. As far as checking in luggage, you don't have to check in luggage, so that means you save money. So, this is the ideal way for me to travel, and you're wondering how I'm going to be here for 2 or 3 weeks or a month. How can I do that? We're going to talk about that in a little bit, but I want to show you these types of bags and how you can put a lot of stuff in these bags and enjoy 2, 3, or even a month doing international traveling. Okay, now this is how I pack for international trips. I have two types of luggages I choose. One is new, I just haven't tried it out yet. I'll probably try it on my next trip. But this has been my primary bag. This knapsack, you can just Google Travel Knapsack in Amazon. It'll give you a variety of stuff. This particular one, I'll throw in the description box down below if you're interested in this one. This one, I believe it's like 35 to 40 liters, but it expands out to 50. I think the most you can get is 50 liters expanded. Have a slot for your computer, various pockets you can put things in. But what I like to do, I'll order one of these travel sacks where I can put my clothes in, seal it up, and as you can see, a port comes with a portable vacuum, so I can vacuum out the air and put that in my bag. This will save me a lot of space. Okay, there are bags that have this built in. The thing I don't like about those is the fact is that it doesn't expand down. So if I got more stuff, I can't use those type of bags. They're a little bit more hard case bags than this one. This is just straight up like leather, as opposed to a hard case bag that has that built in. So for the most part, these are a little bit more flexible for me. So I would recommend these, and just get that and just put it in there if you want to go that route. And you can use any other type of seal them up bag, just as long as you have that portable vacuum with you. You can use any of that stuff if you want to not spend a lot of money. So there's a lot of other options you can use. Okay, this is my other bag. I just got this bag. I haven't tried it out yet. Probably do that in February when I go to Mexico. This is more of a duffel bag, but what I like about it is that I do have back straps so I can carry it on my back. Another little neat thing about it is that it has this compartment you can put your shoes in. Another unique thing about this bag is these zippers. They have multiple zippers that come apart and breaks this bag down to a garment bag where you can put a suit in here. Then you can re-zip this thing back to its original form. So when I do that, I'll use this other bag, the vacuum bag, put my other clothes in there, seal it up, vacuum the air out, and put it back in this bag when it's all formed up, and put my other stuff that I need to put in. So this bag more than likely is going to come with me when I go to Mexico. These are very, very minimalistic type bags. This should be able to go in carry-on with no problem, but it's all depending on the airline you're going in. Some airlines are a little pain in the butt. They're very strict because they have that little slot thing. They may not let you go in, so be very cautious, and also check the regulations for that prior to booking your flight, on what type of bags they allow as carry-ons before you go on that flight, because they will make you put it as stowaway luggage, and then you're probably gonna have to pay a fee. You know, you don't want to go through that. Usually you're gonna get that with the budget airlines. So pretty much these are the bags I recommend if you're gonna do any minimalist traveling. I don't like the little small roller ones. They're not as flexible as far as putting as much as you want in there. That's up to you, how you want to travel, but to me, just having this, be able to carry it, put it on your back, and you gotta run to your next flight, it's a lot more better than trying to just pull something and roll it. One of the things you're gonna have to worry about is overpacking, and you don't want to overpack on these bags. Not that the bags are gonna break or anything, but the thing is that you don't want to carry all that weight around when you're walking in an airport, because, like, for example, when I landed in Brazil, I had to carry a whole bunch of stuff because I had my clothes, I had my camera equipment, I had a whole bunch of stuff in my bag, and I had to walk this long corridor. It was a long walk before I got to custom control, and you don't want to have that feeling, because I had to stop and take a break and take the bag off because it was giving my back a little bit of relief. So you want to make sure you really don't overpack so much, put that much stress on your back, because if you don't have a strong back, it's going to hurt. Also, again, with certain airlines, they're only going to allow you a certain weight on your bag. So if you're over that weight, they may say, okay, you're going to have to check your bag in, or you have to pay extra. That has happened to me before when I traveled internationally with certain airlines. Those are things you're gonna have to look at. Now, I know you want to stay longer. What do? You want to carry extra clothes. Well, what you can do is you can get those detergent strips that you can use. You can just put your clothes in the laundry machine and just dump the strips in there. It'll help clean your clothes, as avoiding bringing any powder, because that's one, messy, and two, you're going to be held up by customs officials as they figure out what is this stuff, because that stuff looks like cocaine, and they want to make sure you're not transporting any narcotics. You get the laundry strips, bring it with you, so that way you can wash your clothes when you're overseas, and that way you won't have any problems. If you're staying at major hotels or what have you, they're gonna have a laundromat. They're gonna have some type of laundry facility somewhere, if not in the hotel, but in town. So that'll help you extend your vacation. If you got a hand washer, hey, it is what it is. You just figure out where you can be able to do it. But basically, if you want to go minimalist is the best way to go, in my personal opinion. You don't have to worry about checking your bags. You ain't got to worry about trying to run to your flight if you're running late, because if you got it on your bag, you can just bolt. You can just bolt to your flight instead of having those roller bags and just trying to run behind it, all this other stuff. Everything is with you. You can put it in overhead. You're fine. It's just so convenient just to have these types of bags with you, as opposed to just having the roller bags and stuff, because they can be a pain in the butt at times. Hey, just to wrap everything up, minimalist international traveling is the way to go. These bags will help you with your journey, and I hope you like these tips. If you did, hit the like button. I greatly appreciate it. Many benefits to this. You're going to save money as far as not checking in bags. Your bags are going to constantly be with you in your physical control, and as soon as you get off the plane to your destination, you just hit straight to the cab on your way to the hotel, and you can rest. So that's the beauty of having these types of bags, because these bags will pack quite a bit of stuff for what you need. So again, hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to leave a comment, please do so. I encourage it. If you got any tips, any other tips as far as minimalist traveling, I would love to hear it. So until next time, catch you guys later.